How to set default print driver in your Windows. Hey everybody and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to provide you with a step-by-step guide in order to do so you can follow out these methods. We can start by pressing Windows plus I and going ahead to our settings. From there, we can go to Bluetooth and devices and select it, and there find the option for print and scanners and open it up. After that, here we'll be finding an option called Let Windows Manage My Default Printer. We can just go over and turn this option off, and then we can set up or click the printer that we want and set it as default that way as well. You can select it and look out for the option called Set as Default, and that should do it. Apart from that, we can use Control Panel as well. We can press Windows plus R and then just type in Control Printers. Press enter and you can right click on your specific printer that you have and just go and select the option called Set as Default Printer for that as well, and that should also work out. And if you mean default print driver, PCL, PS universal drivers, sometimes one printer has multiple drivers, for example PCL, PS universal, etc. So to change a driver, you can press Windows plus R, type in Control Panel, Printers, press enter and go to the printer properties here. Go to printers and scanner, look out for printer solver properties or printer properties here, and head over there and go to the advanced tab, and within advanced you can click on the driver drop down option and go ahead and select the desired folder and apply the changes. You can select up your spool folder and apply the changes, and that's it. If your driver is not listed, you can install it from your manufacturer website, and that's it. But usually this is how you should be able to set up a default driver for your printer. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.